Hi guys, it's Maureen. Welcome back to my little English page. Today is day 2 of the pronunciation marathon. So remember, every day this week I am going to share a pronunciation tip and a tongue twister that you can use to practice with. So this week is pronunciation week and you're going to be pronunciation masters by the end of the week. So today's tip is not something new. I've actually already made a video on that before, but I do think it's extremely useful and it's kind of cool, so I want to share it with you one more time. We are going to use our cell phones, and so I'm going to use the example of iPhone and more specifically Siri. But I know that Android has a similar system. You just need to make sure that you have something like Siri. Make sure your phone is set in English, otherwise this tip is not going to work. It's going to fail completely. Once your phone is set in English, open your phone, go to Siri and say something to Siri in English. What's going to happen? Siri is going to write what Siri thinks you've written. Which means if the pronunciation is completely off, Siri is going to write the wrong word. Now this tip is very useful for beginners because once you get onto a certain level, Siri doesn't necessarily pick the differences between accents and if it's 100% correct or not. But when you are starting, this is a great indicator of how correct or how wrong your pronunciation might be. Time to share the tongue twister with you guys. I would love to hear how it goes. So let me know down below which words you pronounced incorrectly maybe and what came up on Siri when you pronounced them. Keep in mind that you can and should apply yesterday's tip with this particular tongue twister as well. Okay, so here's the tongue twister. A proper copper coffee pot. So my two chunks here would be a proper copper coffee pot. 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 That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and to press the bell button. That way you will get a notification for tomorrow's video. Don't forget to also follow my little English page on Facebook and Instagram, but also the blog where you can download materials, activities, worksheets for free. So, you know, free stuff is always nice. Check it out. You can get it in the description. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and of course, keep on learning. Bye bye.